Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you're watching this, greetings from me. To my new subscribers, you are most welcome. My old ones, thanks also for coming back to watch the new uploaded videos. And you are most welcome to the cooking video, and in it I'm showing you how I do my crispy crafty delicious buns. Enjoy the video. And here are the things that I'm using. I'm going to measure the all-purpose flour. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 250 mils. For those ones who needs the measurements, 2 cups, 250 mils that I'm measuring or that I'm going to use. You can sieve the flour if you have time. I don't have time, that's why I'm not sieving it out. But if you're preparing and you have time, you can sieve. I put my flour in a boil. Have measured 2 cups. After putting the flour, I'm adding sugar. Half cup. It's half cup. 125 ml. Hope you see. Half cup. 125 ml. Then after putting my sugar, after adding sugar, I'm going to mix it. I have to mix it well. Now I'm done with mixing. I'm putting baking powder. I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm putting half teaspoon of baking powder. The same applies to baking soda. Also, I'm putting half teaspoon. Then I mix it once again. I mix it until it dissolves in the flour. After putting the baking soda plus baking powder, the next thing that I'm adding, I'm putting vanilla essence, and I'm going to use also half teaspoon. I'm going to use half teaspoon of vanilla. And this is what I'm using. This is the tape I'm using, and I'm using 1 sacket. It's a half teaspoon. Mix. Have to mix until it dissolves. Mix well. I'm done with mixing, and the next step is to add oil. Cooking oil, I'm putting 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, but after putting the oil, I have to mix it, but with hands. I have to mix it with hands so that the oil gets all over the floor. I have to use hands. Oh, have been forgotten to put salt. Oh my goodness. But salt, we put just pinch of salt. We don't put too much. Just we put little like this. Yeah. Mix well. This is the egg I'm using, just one egg. I'm using one egg. I'm showing you in case you're preparing and you like vanilla yet you don't have it, you can grate the lemon. You can even add the juice lemon, or the juice for the lemon. It's used as a preservative, but since I'm cooking little buns, I'm not going to add it there. But if I cook a lot, of course I put it there. It works for me as a preservative. You can add the juice. Yeah, if you don't have vanilla, you can grate the lemon, that cascade. You can grate that and use it. It gives a nice smell, by the way. It smells good in your buns. If I finish, I'm using milk. I'm using half cup. The one that I used to put sugar, it's the same I'm using, and I have not added again. The eggs, one egg plus the milk has worked very, very well, has worked well, perfectly, without adding again milk, without adding water. But in case you don't have milk, you can use water. You can use water, but I always need it with milk. And even if you have little milk, you can use a little bit of milk and a little bit of water. I'm mixing it well, then I add into my mixture. And if I finish to put in the mixture, I'm going to knead the dough very well. Very well. And if you're making it and you have time, you can leave the dough to rest. But to me, I don't have time, so I'm not going to leave it to rest for some minutes. I don't have time. I'm not leaving it to rest. Our works as we house managers. So guys, I'm going to stop talking so that you also concentrate on the video. Hope I've explained the most liked part. Thanks for watching, and if you find the video helpful, please give it a thumb up and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to try it out. Enjoy the video. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Share if you find it helpful. I love you. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.